Barilla. Wow, a lot in here. It's very big. I have the other box in here too. Wow, it grows very fast. Barilla, it's very healthy and very good for skin. A lot, look. Wow. The leaf is very big. This leaf has something eat it. Very big, and the color beautiful too, purple color.